Just announced, our 2015 Suzuki GSXS 750 demo is now on sale for only $5,999. Save thousands of dollars. Blending just the right mix of modern sport bike performance with futuristic street bike style, this 2015 Suzuki GSXS 750 demo is purpose-built for excitement. Features include a powerful 749cc four-cylinder fuel-injected engine tuned to deliver a dynamic wave of smooth torque and strong acceleration. Automatic idle speed control improves cold starting and stabilizes engine idle. Suzuki exhaust tuning helps enhance torque, response, and acceleration, especially at low to mid RPM range. The Suzuki dual throttle valve system offers better throttle response and torque at the low to mid RPM range. A carefully sculpted body gives a futuristic look enhanced by a vented front fender, molded mirrors, chiseled fuel tank, and an angular tail section with integrated LED tail light. This low-mileage 2015 Suzuki GSXS 750 demo normally retails for $7,999. Save $2,000 and buy it now for only $5,999. Reasonable monthly payments are available, and you can own this for monthly payments for about $175 a month with approved credit. We only have one demo in stock, so hurry in to Sky Power Sports of Lake Wales, Florida. Call us at 866-415-1538 and visit our website at skypowersportslakewales.com. We also feature Yamaha, Kawasaki, and Polaris products and have great accessories and parts departments. And our award-winning service department can help you with any of your needs. That's 866-415-1538 and skypowersportslakewales.com. Sky Power Sports of Lake Wales. We make life fun.